Hey y'all, and welcome back to Small Town Southern Wife. I'm Lynn, and today we're making a Georgia cracker salad. I'm going to be using this recipe to sort of go by out of this older cookbook is where I found it, but I have seen it before, just hadn't never tried it. So in today's recipe, we're going to be doing this for the first time, and we're going to see just how it turns out. I'm going to be using the last of my fall tomatoes that I have for the end of summer. These are fresh tomatoes and they're a little juicy. So you might do better if you use Roman tomatoes. And I have a few little cherry tomatoes I might throw in that are still coming on our little vines. So y'all come on and let's get started. Okay, for today's recipe, this is what we will be using. We're going to be using our saltine crackers. And for this small amount, I'll probably use around one sleeve or maybe just half of it. And they are salted. You could use unsalted or salted, whichever you decide you want to try. Garlic powder, pepper and salt, a couple boiled eggs. I'm using some diced ham. You could use chicken, you could use turkey, or even roast beef, or whatever you might have. Some mayonnaise of your choice, some red and green bell peppers, some green onions, and those are still so pretty that are coming out of our garden. And these are the last of our tomatoes. I've got cherry tomatoes and regular tomatoes. In today's recipe, I'm just going to cut up about 4 or 5 of these, and I'm going to be using the regular type tomatoes. But I have seen it where people have used cherry tomatoes, especially when you have a lot of them in the summer. This is a great recipe to use with your little tomatoes. Okay, so now let's get this cheap, easy Georgia cracker salad put together. Okay, we've already added our red and green bell peppers to our bowl. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our ham. And we're just doing a small batch of this. So that right there is around a half a cup of diced ham. I've already diced up one of my boiled eggs. So now we're just going to cut this egg up. Just chop it up. Put that other boiled egg in there. Now any of these ingredients that you don't like, you could replace them with something that you do like. But this right here is just sort of the basic recipe of the Georgia cracker salad. And now we're going to add the green onions. And now we're going to add around a half a cup of our mayonnaise. A half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Salt. And we're just doing this based on how we like the salt and black pepper. Okay, now for your tomatoes, I would place them on a paper towel. And I'm putting these on a dry one because I have had them sitting over here draining. I don't want all that juice out of the tomatoes in my salad. So I've already got some of them cut up. So I'm going to finish cutting these up and make sure I can get most of the juice out of them. Using that paper towel will help you soak up the juice so your salad won't have too much juice in it. And like I said, you could use Roman tomatoes if you had them, and those don't make as much juice as these regular, just basic tomatoes. Not really sure what brand these are. Use what you got. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add our tomatoes, and you can see I tried to get most of the juice off of them to our salad. And we're going to go ahead now and just give that a mix. Now that we've got our salad all mixed up, And boy, does it smell good with those tomatoes and those fresh green onions. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to start by adding just a half a sleeve of these crackers. And then if I think it needs more, I might add a little more. But we're just going to take them and I'm going to divide them in 2 sections so I can crunch them better. And I'm just going to give them one crunch. I don't want to make them too little, but I do want them to be broke up. And like I said, if you was taking this to some kind of dinner, you wouldn't put your crackers in it until you got there. Just take them with you and you get ready to serve it. And now we're going to mix this up. Now this right here would be a great, easy, and simple little side. And now I've got all my crackers put in it, and I wind up for this small amount, I'm going to use just half that sleeve of crackers. But that right there is what they call a Georgia cracker salad. And now I'm going to take just probably around 5 or 6 more crackers, and I'm going to put it just on the top and not have those mixed in. Okay, we're not going to mix those up. I'm going to leave those on top. And then to that, we're going to add just a few green onions right to the top, just to make it pretty with the fresh crackers and the green onions. Okay, now I'm just going to put a little serving in my little bowl right here and let you see what it looks like. So if you're looking for something that you can take to any dinner, you might try this Georgia cracker salad. And the only thing I would do different next time is I would add a little purple onion in it, plus the green onions. Okay, y'all, I hope you like this video on this simple little, quick little Georgia cracker salad. And if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, and share. Thanks for watching.